In 54 and 55, we're asked to write equations in factored form for the graphs shown. The first thing that we'll need to do is go to the graph and identify each of the x-intercepts, or zeros. We have zeros of -2, +3, and +6. Now we need to create the factors for these zeros. Remember, the zeros are the numbers that make that factor equal 0. We'll start our equation with y equals. The factor for x equals -2 is x minus -2, or x plus 2. The factor for 3 is x minus 3. And the factor for 6 is x minus 6. Notice that if you plug each of these x values in, the factor will go to 0. Let's go to number 55 and do the same thing. The only difference is that in number 55, our typical cubic positive graph has been reflected across the x-axis. And notice that it is decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing. In order to reflect that in the equation, we'll need to put a negative sign in front of our first factor. Identifying our zeros as -5, 0, and 4, we can then write the factors that go with those. The first factor I'm going to write goes with the 0, 0. And it is x minus 0, or just x. The factor for -5 is x plus 5. And the factor for +4 is x minus 4. Again, notice that the zeros, or these x's that we have up here, are the numbers that make these factors equal to 0.